How to use aromatherapy, Part 2. Hi, welcome back to Naturel. Always remember that an excellent medicine is to laugh. So, let's see if this gentleman make you laugh a few minutes. And before we begin, click the subscription button and the notification bell, so you do not miss on future videos. Herbs can be used in aromatherapy treatments in several ways. Essential oils are the easiest to use. These are made by distilling the plant material and mixing with a small amount of liquid or oil. Essential oils are concentrated and need to be diluted when used, and a few drops are all that is necessary when mixing with other oils. Essential oils can be used in baths, in lotions and perfumes, and as inhalations. Do not put essential oils directly on the skin without first diluting them. These concentrations are strong, and even safe herbs can cause irritations if not diluted. Lavender helps relieve tired muscles and can actually reduce muscle spasms. It is a very safe herb and is often used in many items, especially in baby products, because of its gentle nature. There are relatively no side effects from using lavender. It is often used to calm anxiety and helps in eliminating insomnia. A diluted version is often used in a spray that can be used on beds and pillows to promote sleep. It is often used in small pillows that can be heated in the microwave and then applied onto the neck and back muscles to help relax them. Lavender blends well with most other herbs, making it a perfect choice for many herbal mixtures. Bergamot is very uplifting. It is often used to help depression or mood swings. It is also helpful in eliminating insomnia and is said to help stop nightmares from occurring. It is a mild herb and is unlikely to cause any ill effects. It mixes well with most other herbs, including lavender, cedarwood, rosemary, geranium and lemongrass. Tea tree oil is an herb that is often used in topical mixtures to help fight bacterial infections. Used in aromatherapy, tea tree is said to help promote energy and helps relieve anxiety. It is also used to help aid in poor concentration. Another mild herb, tea tree is not associated with any known side effects and is safe to use. It mixes well with eucalyptus, bergamot, lavender and peppermint. Neroli is often used to help control the signs of stress and anxiety. Long used as a remedy, neroli is known to help those with exhaustion feel better and more relaxed. It helps with panic disorders and is said to calm fears, insomnia, and moodiness. It was used for many years as a treatment for grieving widows, as it helps calm and soothe the mind. Neroli is a mild and safe treatment, and it blends well with most other herbs, including ylang-ylang, jasmine, melissa and peppermint. Melissa is known for its antiseptic properties when used on the skin. In aromatherapy, melissa is known to ease panic attacks. It is also used to help those who are overcoming addictions with alcohol or tobacco, as it helps alleviate those cravings. Melissa helps encourage calmness and brings serenity to you, and helps stop fear and depression. It mixes well with most other herbs, especially jasmine, neroli, geranium, and chamomile. Melissa in aromatherapy is mild, but when used on the skin it can cause irritation for those with sensitive skin. Test a small spot on the skin prior to use. Frankincense. It is a popular herb used to help restore confidence and calm. It helps calm fears and paranoia, as well as nightmares. It helps restore balance to those who have signs of emotional exhaustion. It is mild and is unlikely to cause any adverse reactions, and mixes well with most other herbs, including ylang-ylang, myrrh, neroli, melissa, cedarwood, rosemary and lavender. Juniper. The berries are very pungent and are used in the making of gin. Juniper is used to clear and stimulate the mind, and is said to prevent worry and unpleasant memories. It can renew enthusiasm and give you a new zest for life. It is safe as an aromatic. You should use with caution when ingesting if you have any kidney disease. Juniper blends well with most other herbs such as lavender, frankincense, tea tree and jasmine. Last thing to have in mind: Remember that the only thing you can really change is yourself.